Hey, this is Andy Bennett with the CSS News Civil War Interpretive Center. Today, we started a video series about simple ways soldiers and sailors would have cooked the rations that were issued to them. Today, we're out here. One of the basic part of their ration would have been salt pork. This is salt and pepper cured slab bacon, or more similar to side meat we have today. You take that, you take your frying pan, you put it in there, you're going to render it out, cook it into the bacon. You're going to save those drippings, all right? And then what you can do is take your cornmeal ration, you're going to put some water in that, mix it up, make it into a dough, and then you're going to put it in your frying pan in that rendered oil and fry those up. Those Johnny cake, hoe cake, corn cake, they're all kind of the same thing. If we didn't have a nice frying pan like this, we could take our extra canteen we find on the battlefield, knock the spout out, split it in two, add some wire, and create a half canteen with a little baling wire with a stick there. We can use that as a frying pan. If we don't have a frying pan at all, we can still mix that dough up, wrap it around our ramrod or bayonet or a stick, and stick that and slowly roast that over the fire and cook it up. Whether you're a Union soldier, Confederate soldier, or sailor, these are simple ways you can use your cornmeal ration and your salt pork ration to cook up a simple, easy meal. Look for further videos with some other recipes common to all sides of the Civil War. As always, you can look for our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Hope you'll enjoy, and see you again in another video.